Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Shiraz, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, or if you are watching this highway review on my channel for the first time, let me tell you that this is one of my trademarked videos. And in this video I tell you primarily the RPM at cruising speeds, and of course the NVH levels, the noise essentially. Okay, so I'll take it up to, let's start with 80 kilometers per hour. At 83 it allowed me to shift to the top gear, which is the 8th gear, and if I switch cruise control on and bring it down to 80, of course it has adaptive and it downshifted to 7th. So I'll have to take it up to yes, and .80 kilometers per hour is what? Just somewhere around 1200 RPM. Let's take it up to 90 kilometers per hour. Somewhere around 1300 RPM. Let's take it up to 100 kilometers per hour. .1500 RPM. That's 1500 RPM, and there's hardly any noise coming inside the cabin, which is great news. And of course, from such a vehicle you expect exactly this. You want to do long journeys in absolute comfort, and lack of outside noise, is a crucial aspect. That is why you spend, one of the reasons you spend this kind of money. Let's see, 110. This should be somewhere around 1750 RPM. Let's get past this traffic and try 120. Yes, 120 is still less than 2000 RPM. What is that? Somewhere around 1900 RPM. It could be, yeah, 1900 RPM, or it could be 1850, 1900 RPM. And on that side I checked that 130 kilometers per hour was bang 2000 RPM. Yes, sir. 130 is, yes, dot 2000 rpm. Lovely, lovely. And the ambience inside is wonderfully calm. Of course, I'm on an expressway and there is just a wee bit of road noise and just a wee bit of wind noise, but nothing that can be even termed remotely bothersome. You can maintain this all day. Yes, sir. You do not have... Oh, you heard me. Good. Very good. Good boy. So, yeah, guys, that's the long and short of it. Okay. A wonderful car for long journeys, very comfortable, all right, and you really have to, you know, keep an eye on the speedo, because the lack of noise, okay, the smoothness, that essentially means that if you're not careful, you will be going over the speed limit most of the times. 140 is what? Just a shade above 2000 rpm. So that's what? 2100 or 2200 rpm. Or it could be 2150. Oh, I've already reached 146. So what's 150? 150 was 2300 rpm. Lovely. And it's still not noisy. And yes, that is what you expect from, you know, such vehicles. So yeah, guys, I hope you got a good idea about the new 2025 Volvo XC90's cruising manners. Okay, a wonderful car. I love this car. Okay, and do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, and do leave a comment even if you do not have a question. If you have a question, yeah, please do ask me in the comment section. But if you do not have a question, even then, just, you know, put down a comment. It helps the algorithm. And yeah, I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. And that's the top speed.